Hi guys, Happy New Year! Welcome back to another episode of Fatiha's Fashion Flash. So in this episode, I'll be taking you through more items from Ayu Apparels, Singapore's largest Muslimah online store, and I'll have 10 items to take you guys to kickstart the year. If you need a wardrobe refresh, overhaul everything, this is the place to be. To kick things off, look at what I'm wearing. Super soft satin blouse that comes in 5 different colors and retails for only $28. So what I really like about this is it's just so cooling. Like I'm being really honest right here, it's so cooling, and I think I might get it. I'm hoping the head of Ayu Apparels will see this because I really want this now. Okay, so the next item that I have on my list is a pair of pants, and this is the Bell Corduroy pants. So what I like about this is waistbanded at the back with 2 pocket details at the front. No, not details, it's a real pocket, and rather than zipper, what have you, usual pants. This goes really well with boho tops because you can recreate the hippie look, and that can be pretty cute, no? Okay, so the next item on my list is a bomber jacket. It comes in 4 different colors. Okay, you know what, I'll just put this on and show you how it looks like. What I like about this is it's lightweight, and it's like a windbreaker but in a bomber style. This is free size, fits up to size M, and retails for $26. Okay, if you're gonna like zip it all up, you're gonna look a bit pudgy, and I don't want to look pudgy, so I'll just leave it be. And there you have it. So the next item on my list is this balloon sleeved blouse with pleated ruffles. Really pretty. So yep, simple but all about the details, guys. So this comes in 5 different colors and $23. It's free size, so fits up to size UK 10. Yep, and there you have it. So the next item on my list is this ripped flutter sleeve top. It comes with a turtleneck feature and flare sleeves. So this has 4 different colors. It's $25 and it's sized. So yep, there's only M and L left. And okay, as you can see, it's straight cut, so it's good to pair with skinny jeans or any straight cut pants, and we're good to go, honestly. Okay, so the next item is a must have, because let me introduce this Layla chiffon shawl that comes in 49 different colors. 49, guys. Okay, so if you buy one, they're having a promotion now. So if you buy one, it's $10. But if you buy 5 or more, it will automatically be $7 each. $7, 49 different colors. Honestly, a major. Just take everything. I mean, $7, 49 colors, have it all. So moving on, we have this high waist pants that has a slight sheen to it, so slightly more glamorous for any glamorous looks that you have, and it has a flare feature. Comes in 2 different colors. Sorry, 2 different colors only, and unfortunately, it's so limited in size. So you should really like get this if you like it, because I do. So next I have another pair of pants, and this suits my lifestyle because it's so easy. It's stretchable. So this is the tight waist pants. See, even the name is like that simple, featuring 2 front pockets, and this is why I love this. It's a folded hemline, so something like a pajama. So I'm really into pajama-like look, and this comes in 4 different colors. Fits up to size M, so UK 10, and retails for $25. Yep, and there you have it. last but not least, I have this scattered flare blouse that comes in 7 different colors and retails for $27. So it's like a baby doll feature where you can like cinch the center to create a hemline. So cute. Like if only I can pull off baby doll tops, but unfortunately I don't really look good in them. And of course the flare sleeve, guys. All about the flare sleeves. Really, really pretty. So this is free size as well. Fits up to UK10. Please get it because it's so nice. I really like it. And that's it, guys. I've shared with you 10 different apparels for you to choose from. And of course, if you have no new resolutions yet, this 2018, why not do a wardrobe overhaul maybe? And get more new clothes for yourself? Why not, right? New year, new me. So I'll catch you next time. See you!